welcome back to my cross-stitch channel. My name is Leslie and I make videos in Russian and English, and it's all about cross-stitching. Welcome. In today's video, I want to make like a summary video for February 2022. And that's what just want to show you what I've been cross-stitching in February of 2022. I haven't been cross-stitching that much, to be honest, because I didn't feel well. I was a bit depressed and my grandmother had passed away. I just didn't feel like cross-stitching that much, but I have to get back on track and start cross-stitching again. So I'll just show you what I've achieved in this month. This is the first one that I started cross-stitching. This is by Adriana, Train to a Fairy Tale. It's like a bottle, and you have like a train here. Just a second. You have a train here, and you have like a castle here, and you have the bottle here. So I think it's very pretty, and I'll show you where I'm at. This is what I've achieved. I've cross-stitched this is the train, and I started this is the bridge, and I started cross-stitching the castle now. So it's about like this part is about finished. This is 14 count Aida fabric, and you see here it's like it's lighter here on this part where I'm supposed to cross stitch, and darker on the sides. So the bottle itself is going to be here. And I can show you the floss that I'm using. I don't know what kind of floss this is. This is Russian floss. And I have a lot of floss left, so I don't think I'm gonna be needing to buy extra. I think this is gonna be enough for the whole project. This was the first one, and the second one, because I only did two. I only cross-stitched two. The second one is this mermaid. This is by Autumn Lane Stitchery. This is called Curious Mermaid. This I bought on 123stitch.com. I think this is one of the newest patterns that they have on their website. And the instruction reads that you need to buy 32 like 32 cut stitched linen, I think 32 count linen, but I didn't want to cross stitch and linen even weave. I wanted to and also I didn't like the fabric, the color of the fabric. I think it's too dark, so I wanted to buy something lighter. So this is what I got. Just a second. This is 16 count Aida fabric, and this is like a pale green, and it's lighter, and I like it more than this one, the darker one. So here I just cross stitched the bottom of this project. So I have here 2 shells, anchor, and some seaweed here and here, and like some kind of jewelry, something costly here. I think this is gold or something like that. So this is, here it is, this part. So I think I'm going to be continuing and cross-stitching the seaweed here and here, and start cross-stitching the mermaid's tail. And this doesn't cover all the fabric. So this is why the manufacturer recommended to use an even weave 32 count. But I really don't like it. I like this one. I bought the fabric on 123stitch.com as well. And I'm using 2 strands of DMC floss. And I want to show you the floss. Where is it? Just a second. Here's the floss. It only has like 6 colors. So this project is very easy to cross stitch, but this one, the train is very hard. You have to change colors very, very often, and sometimes you can have just one cross in one color and another cross in another color. So it is complicated, and it takes a long time to cross stitch this one, but this one is you cross stitch this very fast. It's easy, much easier than this one. And this color here, this is not black. It looks like it's black, but it's not black. DMC floss. It's the number is 939, and this is like a dark blue. And here you have black, and this is 310. I don't know if you see the difference, but there is a difference. I see the difference, but I don't know if you do. But it's not black. It's dark blue. So let me know what you think about my cross stitch projects. If you like them or not, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe because there's lots more to come. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.